Hello dear students. In this video, we're going to embark on an exciting journey through our bodies. We'll be learning about the different organ systems that work together to keep us alive and healthy. Are you ready? First, let's talk about the circulatory system. This system, also called the cardiovascular system, is responsible for moving blood throughout our bodies. It includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is like a pump. It pushes the blood through vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every part of our body. Next, we have the respiratory system. This system helps us breathe. It includes our lungs, nose, throat, and diaphragm. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen, and when we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. The lungs are the most important organs in this system, where the magic of gas exchange happens. Now, let's move on to the digestive system. This system breaks down the food we eat into smaller parts so our bodies can absorb nutrients for energy. It has many organs, like the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and pancreas. Each part plays a special role in turning our food into energy. Our body also has a waste management system called the excretory system, which is essential for getting rid of unwanted and harmful substances. Key organs in this system include the kidneys, bladder, ureters, and urethra. The kidneys filter waste from the blood, turning it into urine, which then travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it's stored until we're ready to go to the bathroom. Let's talk about the reproductive system next. This system is responsible for making new life. Men and women have different reproductive systems, and together, they play a crucial role in the process of life and birth. Moving on to the nervous system, this is our body's control center. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This system controls everything we do, from moving our muscles to feeling emotions. The brain, located in our head, is the command center, while the spinal cord acts as a communication highway, carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves spread out across our body, helping us feel sensations like touch and pain. The brain and spinal cord together make up the central nervous system. Speaking of the brain, it's an incredibly important organ. It's protected by the cranium and has three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. The cerebrum is the largest part, responsible for our senses, thinking, and emotions. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, helps with balance, coordination, and even speech. Finally, the medulla oblongata, also known as the brainstem, controls essential functions like heartbeat and breathing, keeping us alive every second. The spinal cord, a thick bundle of nerves running down our back, connects the brain to the body and is protected by the vertebral column. It helps with reflex actions, like quickly pulling your hand away from something hot, and serves as the main pathway for messages between the brain and the body. Now, let's talk about the skeletal system, which is our body's framework. This system consists of bones that provide structure, support, and protection for our vital organs, like the brain and heart. When we're born, we have around 300 bones, but as we grow, some of these bones fuse together, leaving adults with 206 bones. The femur in our thigh is the longest bone, while the stapes in our ear is the smallest. Bones have several important functions in our body. They provide support and shape, protect crucial organs, like the rib cage shielding our heart and lungs, and work with muscles to help us move around. Our skeleton is made up of several key parts: the skull, which protects our brain; the rib cage, with 12 pairs of bones shielding our lungs and heart; the vertebral column, or backbone, which protects the spinal cord; the bones of our arms and legs, which allow us to perform activities like jumping and climbing; and the girdles, with the shoulder girdle supporting our arms and the hip girdle supporting our legs. Joints are where two bones meet, allowing movement. There are movable joints, like ball and socket joints, and immovable joints, like those in the skull. The muscular system is what allows us to move. It includes around 600 muscles, which can be either voluntary, under our control, or involuntary, working automatically without us even thinking about it. Lastly, let's talk about the different types of teeth in our mouths that help us eat. We have incisors, sharp teeth at the front for cutting food, canines, pointed teeth for tearing food, premolars, flat teeth for crushing and grinding, and molars, bigger flat teeth at the back for grinding food. Now that we've explored these incredible organ systems, remember how they all work together to keep us healthy and active. Here's a fun question for you. What part of the body is responsible for breathing? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.